Have you considered purchasing the vacation home of your dreams? The first step in attaining it is to set that goal, make a plan, and then implement and execute that plan. Hi, I'm Christine Lurie, real estate broker with App Properties. A vital part of the planning process is to ask yourself, what are the financial considerations and planning before buying a second home? One first step is to ensure you're not spread too thin. A second property will double the expenses. You need to ensure you have emergency funds easily accessible. Many financial planners recommend a separate savings account that is strictly devoted to unforeseen expenditures. A rule of thumb is to set aside 1 to 2% of your home's purchase price for maintenance and repairs annually. Homeowner's insurance. A waterfront property will likely be more expensive than your primary residence when it comes to insurance. Most coastal states require flood insurance, especially in areas that are prone to hurricanes. Prices will vary from state to state, so ask your insurance agent to provide an estimated cost for the area you're interested in. You don't need to pay off your first home before taking on a second. Most financial planners would agree with that statement. For many people, purchasing a second home is part of their long-term retirement plan, so paying off both homes simultaneously works. An important distinction that most financial planners would suggest you do not cash out your 401k to purchase a vacation home. Please do not count on continuous rental occupancy either. Many landlords have learned this lesson the hard way during the pandemic. Please consult with your lender regarding their specific rules for renting out a second home. Some lenders won't originate a second home mortgage if you plan to rent it out at all. At the same time, other lenders have a more lax definition of what constitutes a second home. Do not, by any means, attempt at getting a mortgage under pretenses, as it is fraud and penalties are severe. The purpose of this was strictly for general information, and you should consult a CPA or a tax preparer for guidance. Again, my name is Christine Lurie with App Properties, and as always, home is key to a happy life, so love where you live and where you vacation.